Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how I relax my hair at home by myself. Please like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment down below. Let's jump into the video. Alright, so I have parted my hair into 4 sections, and I'm going to be going through each section one by one with the relaxer. And as you guys can see, I have a whole heap of new growth, but never just trust the process. Alright, that's my motto for this video, trust the process. So I'm gonna be using some beeswax to go around the perimeter of my head and between each section, the part as well. Alright, this is just like a base to protect my hairline and my scalp from getting burned. So stay tuned, guys. Now for this part here, you have to make sure that you put some of the oil, whatever oil you're using, on your ears to protect it from the relaxer as well. So that's what you see me doing here. Now this is the relaxer that I'm using, and yes, it is Kitty's cream. My scalp is too sensitive for adult relaxer, so I've been using Kitty's cream all my life. I just showed you the relaxer before it's been activated, and that's the spatula that I will use to mix it, and this is the activator. So now I'm going to pour the activator into the relaxer, and then I'm going to mix until they're both fully combined. And there you have it, the perfect texture. Now it's ready to be used. These are my gloves. You have to ensure that you use gloves when you are doing this to protect your hands from the chemicals, alright? So now I'm starting with this section. I am going to be applying the relaxer all the way around. Then I'm gonna go in between section and section. Be sure to notice that I am keeping the relaxer away from my scalp for as long as I possibly can. Alright, because this prevents you from getting burned. Right, so you don't want the relaxer to be resting on your scalp through the entire process. Right, eventually it has to get to the scalp, right? But not yet. So hang with me, guys. Now, people, I know it looks a mess, but just trust the process. It works out in the end. Okay, so I have gone through all the sections. I know I'm going to be going through them again, and I will be adding relaxer where needed. So now is where I comb through, and yeah, the relaxer will definitely be touching my scalp at this stage. Oh Lord, my hair looks a tangled mess, but again, trust the process. As you can see here, I'm adding some more relaxer to this section, and I will be doing the same for the other sections as well until relaxer is over every inch of my hair. Guys, there you have it. I've gone through all the sections and relaxer is everywhere. So now I can let this sit for about 10 minutes, 15 minutes tops. As soon as you feel the burn, you need to wash it out. Don't be like me. I'm one of those persons who will sit with burn because I want my hair to process. And now I have started the rinsing process. Remember guys, I am not a professional, but this can be done at home. Alright, so I'm just gonna get out as much of the cream as I can. So now I am going in with the shampoo, the neutralizing shampoo. So this shampoo is actually color coded, and this is me not realizing that there was a seal there. And listen, it took me forever to get that thing off. Alright, so as I was saying, the shampoo is color coded, meaning if there is still relaxer residue in your hair, it's going to turn those sections of your hair pink. So you are going to repeat this step until the foam turns completely white. I finally got it open. So now on to shampooing. As you guys can see, the foam is really pink, so I'm gonna repeat this step a few more times until the foam turns white. Guys, I ended up repeating this step about 5 times. That's how long it took to get all the relaxer residue out of my hair. guys, so I did the final shampoo and the foam is now white. So I'm just gonna rinse this out and then get started with the conditioner. So now I'm going in with the conditioner and I'm gonna be using the entire content of the bottle. And then I'm going to cover my head with plastic and then let it sit for up to 10 minutes before I rinse it out. Now if you have a shower cap, steam cap, that's best to use. However, I didn't have one at the moment, so you don't know. Scan that back to the thing. It gets the job done, that's all that matters. Now, here's my plastic bag. Y'all better not laugh at my plastic bag. It gets the job done. Like I said, that's all that matters. Now, it has been about 15 minutes. I went all the way up to 15 minutes. So now I'm gonna rinse the conditioner out and then I'm just gonna I may just use some flexi rods to put some curls in this. Alright guys, so it started raining, so I had to close the place up, so the lighting is kind of bad. I'm sorry for that, but I put some flexi rods in my hair and I left them in overnight, so I'm just now pulling them out and then I'm gonna style the hair. And there you have style number 1. I used some carrot oil leave-in conditioner and some argan oil to give it that little oomph, you know? Alright guys, so this is basically another style. So you can just style it however you feel comfortable. You can flat iron it and keep it straight, like it's whatever. So because I curled mine, my hair looks really short right now, but of course it's not. Right? So I don't know. I'll probably still end up straightening this out. I don't know. But thanks so much for watching guys. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this helped somebody who's in my situation right now. So yeah, I tried and I'm comfortable with the results of this. So thanks again for watching guys.